pizza, and what I've done is it comes on a sheet, an A4 sheet, and you can print it out. It'll be in the description underneath the video. So I've cut it all out, and then I've started to fold it. So if you sort of turn it that way, so you can see I folded. What you need to do is when you come and cut these pieces, what you need to do on the side is just cut the black line off. If you can do that, that just gives you that extra bit of wiggle room. So just go around, all the way around all of them, these little tabs on the side. So they should almost be only attached to that base piece. The side pieces there need to be cut off, okay? So you've got two there, you've got two there, like that. I'm sorry, this is another bad day. So this is another bad day. This is day 4. This is day 4. Usually I can get up on day 4, but not having a good one today, so never mind. Just sit here quietly and do a little bit of craft and just enjoy the rest. So we've got the box all cut out. So we're just going to turn it over, and we're going to fold the up on all of the creases, okay? So you're going to fold that one there, fold these two in, 1 and 2, and you want them, when you fold them in, to be inside those creases, so you've got that little bit of extra space. Fold that one there, fold that one there, okay? And then do the same on that side. Fold that one. I accidentally cut that, you don't need to do that, that was a mistake. Fold it along there, fold this one here, and this one here, and then fold these two in, like that, 1 and 2, okay, and then fold these in on the sides, 1, so quite in, like that, and then 1 along here, like that, and then we're going to fold these two along the top, like that. Alright, now we're going to get some tacky glue. I'm going to put some tacky glue on this piece. We're going to put some tacky glue on this piece. You don't have to use tacky glue, you can use double-sided sellotape, you can use a Pritt stick, even school glue, anything you like. Put it on this piece, put it on this piece, and we're going to fold those in. I'm not going to do it because I'm on my bed and I'm a bit worried about getting the glue in the bed. So I'm going to fold those in like that. And we're going to put tacky glue or whatever along the edge of that one, along the edge of that one, and along the edge of that one there. And that's all, okay? You don't need to put glue on anything else then. I'm going to fold this bottom piece up like that. And you'll have the glue on these pieces here, and you bring it up, and you're going to fold this top piece up, bring that one up, and poke it down like that. And then, oh, I'll keep that one up a minute. And do the same on the other side. Fold those two over. Fold them over like that. Just do that so you can see. Fold it over like that. Push that one down and that one down with those bits inside. And then put that one in the end there. Okay, so you've got a nice little box there. Right, and then we're going to slip that inside there. There is your pizza box all done. Okay, should stay in there. Yeah, should stay in there. So that's your pizza box. So that'll be all ready for your pizza to go into.